this is Neil. I'm back with another Corvette Z06 video. Today, I'm going to do a product review on two items, the aluminum caps and the carbon fiber interior dash trims. This video is brought to you by Cheayar, a quality auto parts store with bargain prices. And also, I hope you enjoy this video. There are four items that's for the aluminum caps. The first one is the engine cap. This one is a radiator cap. This one's a washer cap. And this one's a brake fluid cap. For the carbon fiber interior dash trims, this one is for the driver's side, this one for the passenger side, and then this one for the center. There will be three criteria we'll be testing for all these 7 items. 1, quality, 2, weight, and 3, fitment. First, let's check the quality of all these items. As for the interior dash trims, they are all made from real carbon fiber, and the quality looks very good too. There's also double-sided tape in the back of all these items, ready to install. And now let's check the aluminum caps. The front side is very well made. Oh, and there's also double-sided tape on the back too, which means they're ready to install. Let's check the weight of all these items. As for the driver's side, carbon fiber interior dash trim, this one weighs 0.4 ounces. As for the passenger side, it weighs 0.8 ounces. For the center, it weighs a little over half an ounce. Now let's check the aluminum caps. The engine cap weighs about 1.7 ounces. The radiator cap weighs a little less than 1.5 ounces. The washer cap weighs 1.1 ounces. And the brake fluid cap also weighs 1.1 ounces. Let's test the fitment of the aluminum caps. And this is a washer cap. It fits pretty well. And this is a brake fluid cap. It also fits pretty well. And now let's test the other two aluminum caps. The radiator cap fits almost perfectly. And the engine cap also fits pretty well. Let's test the passenger side carbon fiber interior dash trim. And when installing this part, make sure the surface is clean. Now if I put this on, it sticks, and it also fits pretty well. Let's move on to the driver's side. Let's test the fitment of the driver's side. The driver's side fits pretty well, similar to the passenger side. And last but not least, let's test the center. There is one drawback to the center though. If you look very closely, you can see a bit of silver sticking out over here. Overall, these parts are inexpensive, cheap, and they fit pretty well, except for this centerpiece, which I wish could fit a little better. Well, that's all I'll show you for today. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button below, subscribe, and turn on notification bell. Also, if you have any comments, questions, or maybe any compliments, make sure to type in the comments below. Don't be shy, and bye. See you in the next video.